Type of computer ports. This is the USB port. The USB Universal Serial Bus port connects devices like keyboard, mouse and flash drives, supporting data transfer and power supply. This is the Thunderbolt port. The Thunderbolt port offer high-speed data transfer, video outputs and power delivery common used in modern laptops. This is the HDMI port. The HDMI, the high definition multimedia interface port, transmits high definition audio and video to TVs and monitors. This is the VGA port. The VGA, video graphics array port, connects monitor and projector for analog video signals, less common today. This is the Ethernet port. The Ethernet port provides wired connectivity, offering stable and high speed network access. This is the audio port. The audio port, typically 3.5 mm jack, connect headphones, microphones or speakers for audio input output. This is the DVI port, digital visual interface port, connects monitor for digital or analog video signals used in older display. This is a PS2 port. The PS2 port connects older keyboards and mouse, now largely replaced by USB port. This is a parallel port. Parallel port were used for printers and other devices transmitting multiple bits, now obsolete. This is the FireWire port. The FireWire port enable high-speed data transfer for devices like camera, now largely replaced by USB and Thunderbolt port. This is the serial port. The serial port transmit data and used for older peripherals like modems, now mostly obsolete. This is the eSATA port. The eSATA port connects external storage devices, offering faster data transfer than USB for a specific application. This is the power port. The power supply electricity to devices. This is a display port. The display port transmits high definition audio and video, supporting multiple monitors and high resolutions. This is the optical fiber port. Optical fiber port use light to transmit data, offering high speed and long distance network connectivity. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.